In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a flight to your Google Calendar. This is a super handy skill for keeping your travel plans organized and easily accessible, and I promise it's straightforward enough that anyone can do it. First things first, let's head over to Google Flights. You can do this by typing https://www.google.com/travel/flights into your browser's address bar. Google Flights is a powerful tool, not only for booking flights, but also for keeping track of them, especially when integrated with Google Calendar. Once you're on the Google Flights page, you'll notice a Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on this and you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you're already signed into your Google account on another Google service, you might not see this step. But if you do, just select the account you wish to use for this. After choosing your account, you'll need to enter your Google password. Go ahead and type that in, then click Next. Make sure you're comfortable with the account you're signing into, as this will be where your flight information is stored and managed. Now, this next part is crucial. You need to have a booked flight already associated with your Google account. If you booked your flight through Google Flights and used your Google account, you're likely already set. If not, make sure your flight confirmation email is sent to your Gmail. Google is pretty clever at picking up on these details and should automatically add it to your Google Flights itinerary. With your flight details squared away in Google Flights, it's time to transition over to Google Calendar. Open a new tab or window and navigate to https://calendar.google.com/calendar/u/0/r. This will take you to your main calendar page. Here's where the magic happens. Look for a button labeled Create. It's usually found in the top left corner of the page. A click here will start the process of creating a new calendar event. After clicking Create, you'll see an option for Event. Click on that. This is where we'll input the details of our flight. Start by typing an event title that clearly identifies your flight. Something like Flight to Paris or NYC Departure would be perfect. This helps you at a glance to know exactly what the calendar event is. Next, it's time to set the date and time for your flight. Click on the date section and a calendar will pop up, allowing you to select the precise day of your flight. Then click on the time section to input the exact departure time. This ensures your Google Calendar will alert you at the correct times before your flight, a handy reminder so you can be perfectly punctual. Once you've input all the necessary details for your flight, including the date and time, you're almost done. The last step is to cement your plans by clicking on Save. This final step is crucial as it officially adds the event to your calendar, complete with all the flight details you've input. And just like that, you've successfully added your flight to your Google Calendar. It's a practical way to keep track of your travel plans, ensuring that you're organized and ready for whatever adventures lie ahead. Remember, you can always return to Google Calendar to edit the event if your flight details change, adding things like confirmation numbers or seat assignments in the description for easy access. Google Calendar can become your one-stop shop for all your travel organization needs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. With these simple steps, managing your travel itinerary is easier and more integrated than ever before. Happy travels, and here's to staying organized no matter where in the world you're headed.